lagi yung medida pipita contigo. Here son cocky first time tun abiga sa display pero wala na yun. Isa ay tutika na lang yung inote. Sa she ay tinalaban no she don't care.
Hey guys, it's lilyalecia. Welcome back to my channel. So today it's gonna be this simple white, matte white nails with some Swarovski crystals on the ring finger. As you guys can see, I do have some new growth here. That's about 3 weeks of nail new growth. So I'm just gonna go ahead and file it down. I already did that with my other hand. I'm gonna take this carbide bit, I think that's what it's called. I bought the set from Amazon, and I'm just gonna use that to take off the white off of all of my nails on my left hand. This is my left hand that I'm doing, you guys. Now, as you guys can see, I want to show you guys, look at the yellow there, and then look at the white. Like, I need a new top coat. Like, I did not know that my top coat did this. So if you guys have some preferences or some ideas for a non-yellowing top coat, please comment down below, because I can't do this with my white nails. Like, look at it. Like, that is not acceptable. Next, I'm gonna take this cuticle bit. I believe that's what it is. That's what I use for it. I use this bit around my cuticles, just to take off that dead skin. And then I went ahead and used the cuticle nippers to take off everything that the drill did not take off. Okay, everything that's hanging, we don't want that on our nails. All right. So I know that this is like really cringy. I should have dusted off all of the dust before I sprayed everything on there. But I was just being lazy because I couldn't even find my nail brush to dust everything off. So yeah. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do everything, take off all of the white off of the nails, and this is what they look like. I went ahead and used my hand filed, and I just went ahead and lightly filed the nail plate, even though I used a drill and already filed it, but it's just a habit. So yeah. So then I went ahead and reshaped the nails because they were not looking nice, sharp, and crisp. So I had to go ahead and reshape them, and this is what everything is looking like. So again, I know I should have dusted it off, but you know, of course I did not. I just went ahead and sprayed it with some alcohol just to dehydrate the nail, and we are ready for the gel application. This is what they're looking like after I've taken off everything. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my nail primer. I purchased that at my local nail supply store. I went ahead and put 2 coats of the nail primer on my natural nail plate. I did not put it on the rest of the nail because there is a thin layer of clear gel already on there. So I only put 2 coats on the natural nail plate. And yes, I can put it on my skin, so do not come for me. It doesn't burn or anything like that. Now this clear gel, I went ahead and purchased that off Amazon. The link will be down below. And that nail brush I purchased at my local nail supply store. Now I went ahead and picked up a small bead. It looks big, but it's really small because the brush is small. I went ahead and put a very thin layer of clear gel. That will be my base. I do have an actual foundation base, but I didn't have it then, so I just used the clear gel as a base. So you guys will see me do it to all 5 nails, and then I will come back once it is ready for the whites. And did this to all 5 nails, and then of course I cured it in my LED lamp for 30 seconds, and then I went ahead and applied my white. Now this white, I mixed this white myself because the original white that I had, it was a little bit too thick, and it just wasn't working out, and I need something that was a little bit more runny and easier for me to spread. So you guys can see that it's not really opaque. It's a little bit in between opaque and translucent. So I did have to put a couple of layers on here, but you guys will see what I do with this in the video. So I went ahead and put the first layer of the white to all 5 nails, and then I went ahead and I flash cured in between each nail for about 5 seconds, just so that it's not running. And then once I did finish with that, I went ahead and cured all the nails, and I will come back and show you guys the rest. So now that I have cured all 5 of the nails, now I am going in again. This time I am applying this layer. I'm not flash curing it. This layer is called the slip layer. Slip layer is when you put a layer of gel on and you don't cure it, and then you are putting another layer, and this is the builder layer. So this is where I'm going to be building up the bulk of my nail. Normally I would see like nail techs, they would build it up using clear gel, but because this white is not like a complete full coverage white in one application, I am just going to go ahead and use this white to build up the nail. So you want to make sure that you get that nice curve. I'm going to show you guys that in a little bit. You want to make sure that you get all of the edges, all of the corners, everything without touching the skin. Then you flip that nail over, let it self level, and then you guys clearly see that nice curve. It's not too thin, not too thick, it's just a nice curve. And after that, I went ahead and cured it in the lamp, and then I moved on to the rest of my nails. And this is what they are looking like after I have applied the white and build up to the thickness that I like. So now I am going to go ahead and spray them, take off that tacky layer. I went ahead and filed all of the nails to my liking. I didn't show you guys me filing because that filing, you guys know that that's just a long process. Okay, and I just well then I guess I did. So I am reshaping the nails, making it nice and crisp again, and then this is what the nails are looking like after I have filed and shaped and buffed and did all that good stuff, all that timely good stuff. Okay, and they're looking so nice and clean, and I love them. Okay, so now we are going to go ahead and spray them with alcohol again because we love spraying our nails while dust is on there. Cannot believe I'm doing it so many times in this video. Okay, we are now ready for our gem or Swarovski crystal application. Woohoo! So these are the crystals that I will be using today. I actually purchased these off of Amazon. Now I'm not sure if these are like real crystals, but you know, they're nice, they're shiny, and I love them. So we're gonna go ahead and use them today. So I am taking that builder gel and I am again applying a slip layer, and then I will be applying another layer, but only in the center of the nail where my crystals will be going. Okay, so I went ahead and applied that, and then I am taking the bigger teardrop looking, don't know what shape this is, taking that, and I am putting it in the center, and then I am just going to apply the other stones around it. It's pretty self-explanatory, so I'll just let you guys watch the video, okay? Of course, after I have applied all the stones and I have placed them exactly where I want them to be placed, I went ahead and cured into the lamp for 30 seconds, and this is what they're looking like. Now, I am taking this Top It Off matte top coat, and I am applying that all to my nails. Now with this top coat, I only applied one layer, and when I take it out of the lamp, you guys will see that it is still shiny. So what you have to do with this top coat is, of course, spray it with some alcohol and wipe it off, and then voila, it's matte. It's not shiny, it is matte, no shine at all. These are what the nails are looking like. I love them. They're pretty, they're simple, they're white, and I just love it. And if you guys love it, then comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one. And always remember to stay beautiful. Love ya!